My mother-in-law said I look homeless without my tooth and a hat on in the morning. Yep, that looks better. All right, guys, this is part 4 of this build where I'm making this heavy duty work rest for my bench sander. And today we're gonna be finishing out the project. So we got stiffeners we need to weld to the bottom of this plate to this vertical tube. We're gonna do a little bit of cleanup, but other than that, we are going to finish it out with paint and we are done. So let's get to work this morning. Can't wait to get to using this bad boy. Let's roll. All right, with this one, I have to use a face shield and hearing protection. These wires get thrown everywhere, and they'll get stuck in your arm or whatever exposed pieces of skin you have. I'm gonna leave most of the paint, this orange paint on. I'm gonna clean everything else up, and then we'll get to rolling. Freaking cracked all my welds. Gosh dang it. Gosh dang it. I'm tempted to just throw it back on real quick. Weld it up. Gosh, an idiot. Freaking stupid. Yep. Gonna redo it. To do this right, I'm gonna go through and grind off all these tacks. On both of these, I'm gonna mark where the edges were so I can kind of hit the same point. And we're gonna have to reinstall this top plate on this and tack it up. So I don't run into this problem again, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this vertical tube up all the way while I'm taking these tacks off. And now let's clean it up. This vertical tube is super rusted and it's got a lot of pitting, and I'd like a nice finish on this when it's all said and done when I paint it. So I'm going through and I'm actually going to grind it to a pretty smooth finish and do some work to make it look nice. Hopefully this lasts forever, so I want to do it. Forgot the respirator again. All right, I'm gonna get this position where it's perfectly sitting relative to this for the plate. And I'm gonna tack it down and then we'll actually tack the plate on. Make sure this doesn't happen again. All right, everything looks relatively square. Inclinometer around 2.1 degrees, which is definitely acceptable. 0 on that side. Perfect. I want you guys to see this. 0, 0 on the dot. Maybe it's gonna be better since I broke the tacks off. I don't know. Let's check 90. Yep, spot on. Okay, let's tack her up and get on with this project. I do like this welding cart. Okay, now I'm gonna carefully undo. Now I'm gonna tack this thing a couple more times. She's not coming off now, but we're still going to be careful. As I said in my last video, we need to put some stiffeners to help keep this top plate flat. I'm going to put somewhat of a stiffener right here, and then I'm going to put another stiffener right here just to help these sides that are hanging off quite a bit. Let's go look at the scrap bin and see what we have. There's the other piece to the camera system. I have a couple of 90s we could use, I suppose. That's not long enough, which would look pretty cool. About 1/4 inch. I guess then we have this piece as well. We could cut this one up diagonal and then we'd have two. All right, so these are definitely long enough. The main thing I want to avoid is getting too long of a piece for that 45. So that's really only going to impact this. And what I think I can do is just taper it down. So maybe this radius geometry is not going to be the best. Let's go get that other one. I actually think this one will work quite well. Let's cut it back a little bit. About right there. So we're talking, do it right there. I like to bring it out as far as I can. I don't want it to stick too incredibly low. Cut it down just a hair. I think we'll do that. Straighten the edge and cut her down. Do we even need to straighten the edge? Like that. All right, I think I got it figured out. So we're gonna cut this piece and this piece off, and we're gonna save this piece. That one's gonna go right here like that. Then we're gonna cut this piece off at about right here. And that one's gonna go right there. It's shorter and has this 45, so we don't get into this hitting the 45 when the sander's in the 45-degree position. And then this side, really, I just reduced the height of it just so I can have more clearance up underneath. All right, let's cut these out. First one up. One down, one to go. Whew, that took a while. There she is. Gonna put this over here so I don't damage the sensor. And I'm gonna tack / weld this guy up without getting it too hot. All right, that's all she wrote for today. You can see I put a couple of nice little tack welds all over the place. It should be sufficient for what I'm doing, and I think it's gonna be good. Let's throw it up here so it can cool in place. All right, it's a little close on this corner, but we can grind that back after the fact. But everything else looks nice and warm. Looks nice and supported. I'll show you what it looks like underneath. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. A little hot still. Oh yeah, right at 90. It seems like that top plate is still pretty flat. Maybe a little tilt on this corner. No. Outstanding. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this morning. Hope you enjoyed it. We didn't get to painting, but we got it all welded out, fit up, and I think she's gonna work.